first birthday baby. One, two, three, go.
Happy birthday.
Sa tuloy mo yung nagkatest si Mami.
Okay.
Ito mo nagpalata ka naman ng pagkatest mo.
Palakpakan pa natin si Mami Melody.
Here's the first candle.
Okay. Siyempre, atos muna. Sabay-sabay na lang bilang para i-blow-in. Hindi mo na kanyang birthday candle. Ready? Okay, everybody. Sabay-sabay na lang bilang. The count of 1, 2, and okay. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Atos na kids para mag-blow-in ko ng candle. Atos na po. Okay, kids. Sabay-sabay na lang bilang. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, candle, please.
Alright, so thank you so much.
Happy birthday! Palakpakan po natin si Leon, of course. Thank you so much. And of course, Mami, okay, this time, pakinggan po natin yung birthday wish, Mami. Birthday ka tayo, hindi ka lang